just a few fairy gardens. Hi, it's Sharon, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you stopped by to see some of my fairy gardens. And I'd like to thank my regulars for tuning in and giving me a watch and having a visit. I always do enjoy my visits, so please leave me a comment so I can say hello. This is a collaboration, and there are many of us who join in the fairy gardens. All you have to do is put fairy garden hashtag and we'll all be there. And Grandma Sandy has a couple of co-hosts besides myself, and it's growing on Vancouver Island. She does great fairy gardens, and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and she'll show you all about fairies and how they play together. So if you like this content, can you give me a big thumbs up? And please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to all the other people who participate in Fairy Garden Thursday. So I'm going to play a little music and let you have a look at some of the fairy gardens that I've created in the past. It's always fun to have a little review of stuff that you've made. I know I enjoyed making this video and seeing some of my fairy gardens again. And I also hope you enjoyed it too. So let's listen to some music and see what fairy gardens I have made in the past. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I sure hope you enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed having a little trip down memory lane. And I'm still working on my little greenhouse. Like I said, it'll take quite a while to get it done, but we'll get it done. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.